Okay, so now we have the HU127R or HU100r. This is the version 3. It's the same key for F series from overlaps with E90, but it's 2011 up to, I think, all the way to G series, which is almost 2025. I have to confirm that, but for sure up to all the F series for sure, and some G series up to 2020, 2021, 2022, around there. But I'm pretty sure all the keys, even G series, is the same. So same principle with the HU92. The only difference is the travel of the wafers is smaller, like tiny movements. But it's the same principle. This doesn't have a dead wafer, so it's easier to fill. Right now all the even numbers are solid. 2 is solid, with the exception of 4 is not solid. 6 is solid, 8 is solid, and then up here even uneven numbers. Number 1 is with a spring. I feel the spring on number 5 and a little bit of spring. Actually 7 is solid, so we have those we have to pick. So I always start with number 1, and I don't know why I'm not doing it number 7. I should be doing number 7. Always start with the uneven numbers, but I think I've been doing, let's see, 5. Yeah, I'm gonna do 7. Okay, now I feel the spring now, and everything should be spring. 5 has a spring, 3 and 1. Okay, now down here, number 2 is solid. Number 4 is solid. Sorry, it's not solid anymore. It should be solid, but it's not. It's number 2 is with a spring, number 4 with a spring. Number 6 is solid. I'm gonna pick it, and now it has a spring on number 6. Now number 8 is solid. I'm gonna pick it. There, it has a, okay, number 2. Okay, so number 8, I pick it up. I pick up 6 and 8, and they become with a spring, right? Spring out, springing. Okay, now 2 is solid. I'm gonna pick it, and I feel 1, but still solid, and I'm gonna do another 1. Ooh. And I feel a little bit of rotation. I think I went too much with this. I think I should leave number 7 the last, but let's see. Let's see where you go. Okay. Number 4 with a spring, number 6 with a spring, number 8 with a spring, and now we come up here. 1 with the spring, 3 with a spring, 5 is solid, so I think this is my, there. Number 5 was the opening wafer. Okay, I can't, it's very difficult with this setup to read the code, so I cannot show you how, but it's just as far as this travels, right?